When engraving on thermoses, cups, and other items with a laser, it's important to handle them with care. PiBurn is here to help with that. The system comes pre-assembled and is good to go right out of the box. Magnetic legs keep PiBurn securely in place. The system is priced at $923. Now moving on to tools that make foam cutting easier. MINOVA has got you covered. One notable perk is the special adapter, allowing compatibility with 18-volt battery tools from big brands like Bosch, Makita, and others. Plus, these tools are designed to be easily handled with just one hand, despite their size. Working faster saves time, notes the ROTHENBERGER company. They provide various tools to maintain speed without compromising quality. Among their offerings are these threaded roughing pliers, ideal for preparing surfaces before sealing them with hemp or Teflon tape. These pliers are designed for pipe diameters ranging from 9.5 to 51 mm and is priced at $192. Here's a handy tool for creators of handmade clothing and accessories that need to punch holes in leather, fabric, and other materials. Its key feature is the interchangeable attachments that offer hole diameters ranging from 1 to 6 mm. Besides hole punching, it can also be used for crimping button fasteners, all of this at a price of $31. Wolfcraft has a nifty 2-in-1 tool that proves handy for tasks like fitting baseboards. It serves as a measuring tool to set the desired angle, and it also transforms into a cutting stand. You can measure angles ranging from 85 to 180 degrees. The built-in guides ensure a clean and precise cut. This versatile tool is priced at about $81. This kit serves a dual purpose. Firstly, it enables professionals to accurately set the distance between boards. Secondly, it's used for tightening them. Depending on the width of the boards, a few sets are enough to tighten 5 to 7 pieces. The spacers have a thickness of 6 mm. This wood chipper, priced at $563, caught our attention for its compact size compared to some mowers. It features a 4-stroke, 7-horsepower engine that can handle branches up to 7.6 cm in diameter. With the addition of leaves and bark, it produces quality mulch, thanks to the rotating blades that ensure uniform shredding. This pump is versatile, tackling various jobs like extracting water from a barrel or draining a swimming pool. It can pump up to 1,500 liters of water per hour. It is battery-powered, so you don't have to deal with cords. The telescoping handle extends the immersion depth to 1 meter. Plus, when there's no more water, the pump shuts off automatically. You can get it for around $70. Inco brings you these magnetic holders, perfect for welding and assembling various structures. Thanks to the integrated magnets, they securely hold metal parts and simplify angle measurements at 45, 90 and 135 degrees. One holder with a maximum tensile strength of up to 22 kilograms is available at around $5. Meet the Hilti Nuron RT 622, a battery-powered riveting machine designed for professionals. With a stroke length of 25mm, it accommodates rivets ranging from 2.4 to 4.8mm. Its compact size and built-in lighting make it perfect for confined and poorly lit spaces. Plus, the overload protection system ensures the motor won't burn out during work. The Hilti Nuron RT 622 is priced at $1,064. The Avanti sprayer gets the job done up to 10 times faster than a brush or a roller. Its watertight design allows it to be held at any angle. The upgraded nozzle lets you paint a fence of up to 12 meters using only 1.5 liters of paint and without making a mess. All parts in contact with the paint are easy to clean. Plus, you can use Avanti for varnishes and stains. This paint sprayer is priced at $80. Check out the Einhell PRESSITO 1825 compressors. They come in two versions, cordless and hybrid, offering to plug into a socket. Both versions deliver pressures up to 11 bar, perfect for cars, bicycles, inflatable pools and more. The kit includes adapters neatly stored in a dedicated compartment. Switch pressure units to PSI or kilopascals as needed. The compressor automatically turns off when the set pressure is reached, and it even features a built-in flashlight. The hybrid version is priced at $138. Ever witnessed rescue workers extracting victims from car wrecks? In such critical moments, every second counts. Meet these cordless scissors, tailor-made for rescue operations, boasting a cutting force of 96 tons and a working pressure up to 700 bar. That's ample power to effortlessly slice through steel beams or car frames. The same manufacturer also provides this crusher designed to clear debris, enabling easy handling of concrete up to 20 centimeters thick with a force of 20 tons. Moving on, we have a brush designed for cleaning battery poles and terminals, perfect for motorists and mechanics alike. Priced at $23, this brush significantly speeds up the removal of sediments, oxides and deposits that accumulate on terminals. Compact at just 12 centimeters in length, it won't hog much space in your toolbox or tool bag. Got multiple tasks on the job site but stuck with just one trowel? Use Flexi and switch blades as needed. The standard version sports a 200 by 70mm steel blade. But if you need versatility, there are additional options, including a plastic blade or a thinner, more flexible steel blade with a special insert. The basic set is priced at $12. If you've got friends who ride bikes with tubeless tyres, share the tubeless CO2 blaster with them. This handy tool seals and inflates tyres. It's essentially a reamer equipped with a CO2 cylinder and 5 spare plugs. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack or pocket. The kit, including 2 CO2 cylinders, weighs just 206 grams and is priced at $55. This is a soft-faced hammer, a tool widely embraced in auto repair shops and window companies. Ideal for installing moldings, decorative elements, or hardware without a hitch, it ensures a scratch and dent-free process. This German-made version comes at a price of $158. Numerous accessories and adapters are available for screwdrivers, including one that transforms the tool into an ice drill. Impact wrenches are also incredibly versatile, and there are specific felling wedges designed for them. Take the Valfast wedge, capable of lifting 26 tons. Another option, the TR30AQ, can raise a log up to a height of 60 millimeters. While these wedges typically cost thousands of dollars, the investment is worthwhile, considering the work becomes not only faster, but also safer.
Achtung!
The Bullat Pipe Bender is handy for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. He makes building greenhouses, sheds, pergolas, and more a breeze. Capable of bending tubes with a diameter of up to 32 mm and a thickness of up to 2.8 mm, Bullat can also handle square bars and profiles. Its user-friendly design is so straightforward that the manufacturer is confident that even a child can get the job done. You can snag this tube bender for $107. One day, this worker faced the challenge of lifting slabs that had sunk 20 centimeters down in certain spots. To avoid digging a hole for the jack, he came up with a solution, turning a regular jack into a rail jack. Typically used on railroad tracks, this modified jack became a tool for lifting concrete slabs. By the way, you can now buy this upgraded version with the most finely painted option priced at $160.